I'm not in the fucking mood. Come back here. Sir, walk with the onion. Watch out!
Got a gun! Oh, it's got a gun!
Who the fuck is this asshole?
Brain is big and smart.
Hey, about your new girlfriend.
He's French.
Shut the fuck up!
What the hell is that smell? Girl hooker. Freeze, bitch. Oh, shit. I'm fucked. Now back up, put the gun down, and give me a pack of tropical fruit bubblicious and some Skittles. Holy shit! The fuck? That's it!